Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on the Ps5 home screen. Sign into the PSN account you want to fund. Once signed in, go straight to your profile or settings to reach Wallet. This avoids extra menus. You need the 12 or 16 character code from your card or email. Keep it visible. Make sure the PSN region matches the card's region and that your console is online, because the store won't accept mismatched regions or offline redemptions. From the PlayStation Store, select Redeem Codes. You can also choose Redeem in your wallet. Enter the code slowly. Use the on-screen keyboard or a USB/Bluetooth keyboard to reduce typos. Once you input it, press Confirm and wait for the system to validate. You'll see a success message and the new balance reflected in your wallet. If the code applies to a specific item, buy it now. Otherwise, the funds sit in your account for purchases. Use your wallet balance at checkout. Select Wallet as the payment method and complete the purchase. You'll get an order confirmation. If the code fails, pause and check 3 things: the account's region versus card region, every character you entered, letter O versus 0, and whether the code was already redeemed. If problems persist, take a screenshot or photo of the card and contact PlayStation support for assistance, because they can trace redemption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.